Today we're going to talk about the good, better, best methodology, how it applies here to actual displays on our boards. So looking here at the bottom, this would be a good place to market products. This would be a better place to market products. And lastly, the best. Reason for the best location, when we grow up and when you learn to read, left to right, your eye goes to the upper left-hand corner. So whether you realize it as a consumer, we actually go to the left-hand corner first when we're looking at a display board. We're all consumers, our customers are consumers, and that's a good spot, but really the best spot is right there. So the second methodology we're going to talk about in merchandising is the border method. Now it's important to know that there is a way to actually hang tools. One of the common mistakes often people make is trying to jigsaw, well, I call it jigsaw, the product in place. So this may be a natural thing for you to do or think you should do, but really it doesn't apply when we're doing the border method. Let's see how we do this correct way. So when you're utilizing the border method, you want to start with a fresh line and you're not disturbing anything above that line. So the next available line for these tools would be here. So I'm not interfering with the long screwdrivers here, but I'm not jigsawing either. Another important part of merchandising hand tools, any tools actually in the service centers, back tag. Tells you either you get low or you're out, gives you the information where that tool was hung, so when the replacement comes in, you can put it in place just like this. Back tags are important, make sure you use them. Another important part of merchandising, people don't want to buy the last item on a hook. So make sure you have two on a hook. Like I always say, two on a hook sells one on a hook sells none. Make sure you get two on every hook in your showroom. Just like that. When you apply these methodologies, you're going to have a great looking showroom. You're going to sell a lot more product. So this has been Tool Tips with Tony the Tool Man. Today, merchandising tips. Remember, be good to your tools be good to you. We'll see you next time.